Sunday, folks. Back at it once again. Walking out here with everything I own to fish with in my hands currently. My friend Nick invited me out on his bass boat, so we're about to go over here and meet him and get some things done on this water. Folks, if you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and hit that thumbs up so everybody knows about these videos. Appreciate you all so much for tuning in. Nick, say what's up to the people. Man? Time to get in and let's go get it. Being outside and being on the river is always better than being in the house, so you coming out of there. It's a fish. My dropped right now. God bless. It's a fish? No. That sucks. If it was, I missed him. Yep, I missed him. I gotta edit that out, folks. You see that? Did you hear that drag pull and let go on my and let go? My first hook set out here. That's awesome. At least I know what I'm doing. There's vindication there. Oh, let's go do it again. Folks, always check your drag before you start fishing. Could cost you a lot. I want to do some bow fishing before it gets cold.
Man, I'm gonna get in touch with that guy. I showed you those pictures, right?
Yeah.
Those carve out.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh. I don't know what to do. I'm about to tie on a rattle trap though, I think. I think tie on a rattle trap. Yes, I saw that. I hope the camera saw that. Did you see that? Did you guys see that?
The boat. I dropped it back in.
He hit it, but couldn't.
The only thing I can tell you about trolling motors is the more you turn it up, just make sure when you get started moving, you're going straight. Because if you turn that thing like a hard 90 left, you're not ready for it, it will throw you off balance. So I usually test the speed and forward and you'll feel it. But if you turn the thing like hard one way, you can see how it'll throw your, I've thrown myself in the water. I'm down.
Anybody home over here? Get it. That's crazy.
That's a good one. That's a good one. We grab that net.
Where's the net at?
Right here. Blue tungsten. Oh, it's right here. Oh. Oh, yes.
Got it. Boy, you are big. Caught something. Caught it's probably at least 20, 25 pounds right here.
Let's see. I got a scale.
20, 25 pounds. No, they probably only 15.
Sorry, bro. I'm trying. Where's that spoon at?
Ooh, he swallowed it. I see it.
Oh. Don't flip. Oh, that couldn't have been any easier. Thank goodness. All right, here we go.
Greedy gobbler.
Overloaded. How do I clear this? 0 pounds. That's way bigger than that.
Yeah.
There ain't no way.
70 pounds. 9.6 pounds.
It feels, yeah, I'd say it's about that. That's going up from there.
Oh, still going. All right.
Oh,
Less.
That's a big one though. All right, bud.
11, about 11 pounds.
Will you get a picture with that phone over there?
Yeah. That's dope.
All right, bud.
Oh, you good?
Adios, amigo. Man.
That's crazy. I don't know how you turn your camera off here.
Oh, I appreciate it. Dude.
That's crazy.
When I snagged into it, and then it goes, it's like, oh, hell no.
I thought you had a striper.